Hey there, in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to use the new Microsoft Lists app in Microsoft Teams. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing that you want to do is you want to click on the Add a Tab button in the channel that you want to add or create your list. This is going to bring up a list of all the available apps or connectors that you can add to a channel in a team. And I'm just going to scroll down here and look for the Microsoft Lists app. You can also search for it using the search function. Now you want to click on the Add button, and then you want to click on the Save button. So now I've added the new Microsoft List app as a tab in my general channel of my finance team, and you have a few different options here. You can start from scratch and create a new list or add an existing list. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click on Create a List. And what this is going to do is this is going to give me some options. I can choose to create a list, either a blank list or to create a list from an Excel spreadsheet. Perhaps you have some data in a sheet that you want to use as the basis for a new list, or you want to copy an existing list. And so what I'm going to do here is I am just going to create a new list using one of these templates. So there's a whole ton of different templates available here. I'm going to go ahead and use the issue tracker template, and I'm just going to go ahead and click on it. And what this is going to do is this is going to preview what this list looks like in terms of what columns are defined. And so you can click through these different templates if you just want to browse and see what columns are defined in these lists. I'm going to go ahead and use the issue tracker and click on Use Template. I'm going to leave this, but if you wanted to, you can change the name of your list. You can provide a description. You can also pick a color for the theme of your list. I'm going to go with red, and then you can also choose an icon. In this case, I'm going to leave it as this bug. And then the last step here is to go ahead and click Create. And there you go. So our issue tracker has been added as a tab in this channel of this team, and you can see here all of those base columns that are included in the template are listed there. And if I wanted to go ahead and actually enter some data into this list, what I can do is click on the New Item button, and this is going to allow me to populate a row or create a record in this list in this form view. So let's just go ahead and, for example purposes, fill this out. Page won't load. The new web page won't load. And then you basically want to go through and fill out all of these different fields here if you're using this templated list. So I'm just going to quickly fill all of these fields out. And I'm going to click Save, and there you go. I have my record added in this list now. So that was creating an item using the New Item button, which brings up the form view. You can also edit items in these lists in grid view. So clicking on this is going to actually allow you to just enter these items in sort of this grid view here, which is very similar to using lists in Microsoft SharePoint. So that's it. You can add multiple lists, and you can also access Microsoft Lists through the web browser directly on the Lists online interface, and you can interact with your list there. So that's it for this tutorial. I hope you found it useful. Again, just to provide you with a quick review or overview of how to use the new Microsoft List feature. If you did like this video, please be sure to drop a comment below, like the video, and if you want to stay up to date on the latest Microsoft Teams tutorials, please be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks a lot. Talk to you soon.